Okay guys, we made it. We're at the 11th annual Kiwanis show here in Burbank. NBC Studios right over there. We're on the search for Jay Leno. He's infamous for his obsession for classic cars. And being that it's Brad Jones Classic Car Art Photography, let's go find Jay. Maybe Gwyneth Paltrow. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Here we go. Woohoo! Yeah!
She was a daydreamer, Sunday driver, yeah. Took me so long to find out, I found out.
Alright, check out all this crazy stuff, man. This show is off the hook. Oh, yeah. No, they're not messing around over here. Get ready for all this. Still no Jay, but we got ourselves an old Corvette. Where's Jay?
I think I see Johnny Depp. There.
Where? Oh my god, is it Johnny Depp?
Oh, no, it's a redheaded.
No, that's Cameron Diaz. Oh my god, it's Jerry Garcia. Oh, no, that's not. That's Santa Claus. Slamming out some new lowriders, man. Check this baby out. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that's bad. Okay guys, we did it. First Pomona, now the Kiwanis show here in Burbank. No Jay Leno, no Gwyneth Paltrow, not even a little bit of old Joan Collins, man. Cruising around here in our old Rolls Royce. You don't want to think about anything about it right now, but I think it's time to take a nap. It's been a long day. So thanks for joining us. We'll see you on the next car show. Woohoo! Right on.